Okay, this lesson is going to be on area. So the last one we talked about perimeter, which was the distance around the outside of a shape. Okay, so like the distance around this puzzle is an example. The area is the space inside. So it's two-dimensional, so it's on the floor. Okay, so if you look at this one, this is a basketball court. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Make it a little bit easier to see. Okay, so this basketball court. So the distance inside. So we would count all of these squares, and that would be the area of this shape. So here's another example that's a little closer up. So the area is the space inside. So if we were to count the area of this traffic ticket, we would count all of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so the area of this square, or excuse me, this rectangle would be 20. Remember, if you need help reading these, you can click on them.
How many squares fill the traffic citation?
And it'll read aloud to you. How many squares fill the traffic citation? So this is the traffic citation, this ticket. Okay, so let's look at it in a different way. Here's one way this assignment might look on your screen. You might have a different one, but that's okay. We're going to go through and you're going to learn about what it means, and then you're going to do the assignment on your own. So the area is the space inside of this speed limit sign, okay? So it's the flat shape. So we look at the area as width and length, okay? So the width is the short side and the length is the long side. So it's color-coded here. That helps us figure out which number goes where in our sentence, in our number sentence. So we're going to put the 6 here because this is where the length goes. So this is going to be 6.
6.
Okay, and then the width goes here, and we see that the width is 3.
3.
Perfect. So 6 times 3 equals 18. So what you're doing is multiplying. See this x right here? We're multiplying. So what's going to be important for us to remember are multiplication facts. If those are a little challenging, you can just use your calculator. So it already tells us the answer, that 6 times 3 is 18. And it says 18 units squared because these units inside are square. Your assignment might also look like this. So these are different levels. This would be level 2. Again, it's color-coded so you can see which numbers go where. There isn't a box this time, but you're going to type it in. Okay, so if it has this little pencil, that means you're going to type it. So the length is 6. Our width is still 3. And then if you remember from before, when we multiply, 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so the area of this speed limit sign is 18. So this means that if this is 3 units, it would be broken like this. 1, oh, I wish this was straight. So this means it's 3. There are 3 sections here. And then this would be 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what this means. Each unit this way, there are 3. 3, 3, 3. See how those are broken into 3? And then these here, there are 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. You could also just count all these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 square units. Your assignment might also look like this. There is no color coding in this one, so you really have to pay attention to where these go. So the length goes here. So this is still going to be 6. The width is 3. And then 6 times 3, we decided, is 18. So another way to think of this is 6 times 3, or 6 plus 6 plus 6, okay? Because this would be 6, 6, and 6. This last one, we're going to continue. This is going to be 18. Okay, so 6 times 3 is 18. Again, if you're not sure about this multiplication part and you have the numbers in, go ahead and use your calculator or your math machine so that you can add up and get this total right here. Okay, when you're finished, go to your globe and go to the home button instead of clicking done. Otherwise, it will log you out and you'll have to log back in.